Hi friends, welcome back to Baran Creations, Art, Craft and Cooking. So here I'm back with a craft video. In this video I will show you how to make DIY room decor using paper. So let's start to make a hot air balloon wall art. First let's make hot air balloon. So I have here different color sheets. They are A4 size sheets. First let's take one sheet, fold it equally, then again fold it into half like this. So then take 4.5 centimeter in compass, radius. Then draw a circle and now draw like this, just curved lines. Then we'll cut it. Now cut it. See, you can see the shape. Now cut it. So see, here it is ready. Repeat the same with different color sheets. So here I have different color sheets. Now fold it into half. Fold 7 sheets into half. You can use 7 or 9 colored sheets which are cut into this shape. Now take a glue and take one color sheet. Then apply glue. Then stick one sheet. Hold like this. Then stick together. We'll cut the uneven edges later. Then again hold like this. And then stick like this. Keep this aside. So here I have used 3 color sheets. Now we'll use 4 color sheets. So apply glue. Then stick this. Then again apply glue. Stick this one. Here again. So now let's cut the edges. So cut the excess edge. Then here. So repeat the same with this too. Cut the edges, uneven edges. So this one is ready. Now let's make base for this. Now take a yellow colored sheet and cut 4 squares of 4 centimeter. Then fold it into half. Then take a glue and stick it. See, stick like this. And then level the edges, cut uneven edges. So now let's keep all this aside. We'll assemble all together. Now take 2 white colored sheets. They are also A4 size sheets. So okay. First fold it like this. Then cut this into cloud shape as per your wish. So here it is. We need to cut 2 sheets. 2 sheets of same shape and size. Now keep this aside. Now take a thick thread and glue gun. So I have cut this thread into 8 centimeter. Now put hot glue here. Then stick this thread. Again now apply glue and then stick the other part. See, like this. Then cut the uneven edges. Cut the uneven edges. Now apply hot glue here. Then stick this. So approx length of this thread will be 3 centimeter from here to here. So one of our hot air balloon is ready. We'll assemble now. So now let's assemble this. I have 6 hot air balloons and 8 clouds. So let's start to assemble. We need a thick thread. First take a thick thread like this. Then take the clouds, 2 clouds of same shape and size. Then first keep one of the cloud here, and then so now keep one of the cloud like this here, and then keep the thread on it, and then start applying glue at the edges, leaving the center part. And stick the other cloud of same shape and size. Exactly. You can cut the uneven edges so that the thread can move easily. See, like this. Now we'll attach a hot air balloon in the same way. So first take one hot air balloon, then keep it here like this, then apply glue, leaving the center part, then apply glue here as well. Now stick it like this. See, stick like this, hold for a few seconds. You can press it. See, the thread can move easily. So repeat the same for rest of the hot air balloons as well as clouds. So I have assembled all these hot air balloons as well as clouds. Now I will hang this on the wall and will show you how it looks. So it's ready. See, you can hang this on the wall using sellotape or duct tape because the gum will be strong. It will hold the weight, and it looks very nice and beautiful. We feel happy when we see this because you know they are colorful, and I just love hot air balloons. So you can decorate your kids' room by using this idea. Yes. And it will be very creative also. So tell us on which wall it's looking very beautiful, whether on wall A or wall B. So let us know your opinion in the comment box below. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit thumbs up, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Baran Creation for more videos and hit bell icon to get notified. Thanks for watching. Keep watching Baran Creations.